Hi guys, our sixth tutorial is about reverse engineering a live database. To reverse engineer a live database, on the main menu, go to Database and click Reverse Engineer. The first page of the wizard enables you to set up a connection to a live database. You can set up a new connection or select a previously created stored connection. Typical information required for the connection includes hostname, username, and password. After the information has been entered or you have selected a stored connection, click the next button to proceed to the next page. Review the displayed information to make sure that the connection did not generate errors. Then click Next. The next page displays the schemata available on the server. Click the checkbox or checkboxes for schemata you wish to process. Then click Next. The wizard then displays the task it carried out and summarizes the results of the operation. The wizard then imports subject displaying the tasks that have been carried out and whether the operation was successful. If errors were generated, you can click the Show Logs button to see the nature of the errors. Click Next to continue to the next page. The final page of the wizard provides a summary of the reverse engineered objects. Click Finish to exit the wizard. The reverse engineered database will be displayed. Choose the file, Save model, to save the reverse engineered database as a MySQL Workbench file. That's it. Thank you.